Hello everyone, welcome back. Last week I posted a video about how to make these beautiful floral hexagons, and today we will see how to join it. So you have to stop right before the last row. So first we have to work chain 3 and make a single crochet, and then now work chain 1, and then now we're going to join into the next hexagon. Grab the previous finished project and insert the hook from this middle chain 3 space from this corner. Insert the hook from the upside. Now grab the yarn and make a chain. Now we're going to make a single crochet, and now you have to continue normal pattern till the middle scallops. Till the middle scallops we are not going to join anywhere, and in the corner we have to join only the middle chain 3 space. Okay, here we reach to the middle part. So here I made a single crochet and then chain 1, and now I'm going to join into this middle scallop, the first middle scallop. Drop the yarn from the hook and insert the hook from the middle scallop. Now grab the yarn and then make a chain 1. So next we're going to work a single crochet into the next chain space here. Now from here again work chain 1 and drop the yarn from the hook, insert the hook from the next scallop and grab the yarn. Now work chain 1 and then work another single crochet into the next chain space. So here we join the middle part also. Now continue till the corner, same pattern. Okay, here we reach the second corner. First work a single crochet and then work the first scallop and then make another single crochet. Now work chain 1 and drop the yarn from the hook and insert the hook from the second and the middle scallop and grab the yarn. Now work a chain. Now again work a single crochet into the same space. Now continue work the last scallop from the corner and continue work single crochets till the middle scallops. So after join, this is how it looks like. If you see, we join only to the scallops. So like this, same way you have to join the next hexagon also. I hope you like this video. If you like, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you soon with another beautiful tutorial. Until that, take care. Bye bye.